Hey guys, welcome again. Now that you've learned the basic concepts of programming, the main steps involved, I'm just going to give you a crash course. So the next step we're going to do is we're going to look at what a program looks like. So when you first open VB, okay, you come across this menu, right? Module one is just this is module one, the first module, the first part. This is program one. Submain, this is key. Submain and end sub is important because submain, everything inside submain is the code. So if you're going to write a program, you're going to make sure it's inside the main. And end sub is where it ends. So this is the main program, main body of the program, and this is where the program ends. And this is where the whole module ends. So it just stops. Up here, as you can see, it's play button. But so if you want to basically test your program out, you just press this button and it starts debugging. Or you could press F5 and that will do the same thing as well. And this is basically a console application. So this is what we start off with. This is the simplest part. So yeah, give me 1 second and I'll get back to you. Okay, so now we're back. So I just added a bit of code. So first, before we learn how to program, we're gonna learn. This is VB.NET, so we're gonna learn what the program steps look like. So what does a program actually do? So okay, if I just hit the play button, there you go. It just displays "Hello World." Now, but how does that work? So it's simple, right? So first, this is the main part of the program. So in the program, console.writeLine hello. So we're writing "Hello World." So we're telling the console, which is the black box, to write "Hello World." Once that's done, um, we've got console.readline. What console.readline does is it ensures that you have to press enter after you display this in order for the program not to crash. For example, if I just pull this off right now, oh, by the way, this is called a comment. So program is when you program and you want to know how something works, or you just want to have some text like say, okay, this part says hello, so you just comment tells program to say hello. So this part is ignored by the program itself. So the program doesn't really see this part. The only people who see this part is you, the program. So so if I just left console.readline and I press play, it show hello, but it disappears straight away because it's not waiting for anything after that. It's just going to write hello and end the program. But when we add console.readline, it ensures that you have to press enter after this has popped up. Enter. So if I press enter, then the program closes. So that's basically this simple program. So let's go through another one. Okay, so we're back again. Now this is another simple program. So let's work this out together, right? Before we actually run the program. Main body of the program, get console.writeLine hello, my name is Peter and my age 29. So you're basically telling the computer, well, the program, the box, to write, to display this to the user. Now, the next step is console.writeLine. So write 6 times 6 equals, and a quotation marks. So this is not actually working anything out. When it's, oh, yeah, that's another thing I forgot to explain to you. When you actually add quotation marks within a program, let's say hello, whenever you want to add text, you gotta make sure, you gotta ensure that the quotation marks are there. So if I just do this again, console right, there you go. So if you see this right, console right hello. If I keep it like this is in quotation marks, so it's something the computer has to say. Now, if I was to get rid of the quotation marks, let's go this one, the computer just crashed because it say hello is missing. There's nothing called hello. You can just see hello is not the it's not, it's missing. So make sure whenever you add text and display something, you keep in quotation marks. So what this will do, we have second step, right? So what this will do is it will write line. So write 6 times 6, as you can see this part is in quotation marks. So it's going to write 6 times 6 equals. And then this is and, so something else it's going to do is it's going to actually work out what 6 times 6 is. Console read line. So when we run this program, it's going to say this first, then it's going to say 6 times 6 equals, and it's going to work out what 6 times 6 actually is. So as you can see here, there you go. A bit bigger for you. Alright, so as you can see, that's not going to work. But yeah, wait, if I change this to, let's just try this. You're not see that bad. So basically, like I said, it's saying hello, there, my name is Peter, and my age 29. and then it's working out, like I said over here, 6 times 6, so it's displaying 6 times 6 equals, and it's actually working out, which is 36. So that's how another program works. Okay, so again, to end this video, this tutorial video, I'm just going to again show you the basics. Basically what it is. So module 1 is the name of the whole program. You can rename it if you want, but it's better just to leave it. Submain is the main body of the program. It's where the main code of the program lies, right? And endsub is where that section of the code ends. So later on, what you learn is you can actually have subroutines. So if you can have subroutines in the sub menu. You can have like sub say hi, and you could end the sub as well, like this. So you could actually have subs within subs as well if you wanted to, but that's later on. So for now, we're just going to look at these basic command before I leave. So console.writeLine. Let's just add a comment over here. Console.write. You can copy this down if you want. Console.writeLine writes text given. In this case, it's hi, obviously, as you can see. And then presses enter, or it leaves another line. So basically, if you use console.writeLine, it will write hi, and then it'll put a line next to it. So you press enter. So you press return. Like if I press return now, it goes down to the next line. That's basically what console.writeLine will do. Console.write, as you guessed, probably guessed now, it just writes text given. So it just write it, and it end up on the same line. So it just be like me saying hello, and then that's it. That's console.write, where it just stays there. Console.writeLine in other case would be hello, enter. So that's basically the difference between console.write and console.writeLine. Console.readLine, what that does is it, like I said, it waits for the enter key to be pressed at the end of the program. So it's basically press enter. That's basically what that means. So console.readLine basically just waits for this thing right here. So you basically do that, and there's also console.read, but you usually don't really need that one. But that just does the same thing as the one above I said. It just waits for it. So if I just take this off and rerun the program, you can see it says on the same line console.read, just like I said. Whereas if you write console.read line, so if I comment this out as well, the console.writeLine, like I said, so it's saying hi, it's going adding a next line. See, as you can see there. If I comment this one out and just keep this one open here, it will say console, just say hi and stay on the same line, like I said, not pressing enter. So I know that was slightly long, but yeah, that's basically what these things do. So just practice the basics, look how the program works, and in the next tutorial we'll do some programming. We'll see how to actually code this. So yeah, until then, see you guys.